So, have you ever wondered why a ball wouldn't fly off in two different directions when it's thrown into the air? First of all, a projectile is an object shot through the air, and the path of the projectile that gravity causes to move downward is called trajectory. So let's take this for example. We will have a ball thrown into the air, and the ball would be our projectile. Its movement across the air forms a parabolic path due to gravity grass, and this would be the trajectory. Our next topic will be about horizontal and vertical motions. So, imagine a graph, since there are only two directions in a two-dimensional plane. These directions would be the x and y axis, or otherwise it's known as horizontal and vertical paths.
Now we will start our projectile motion experiment. So, we have two balls with two different colors. As you can see that they both hit the ground at the same time. And in fact, if we slow it down enough and go frame by frame, you can see that they actually are at the same height at the same time as well. You can see that right before they hit the ground, the blue ball, which was launched horizontally, is moving faster than the green ball. And you might be wondering, how come they both have the same final velocity if one is faster than the other? Okay, so they do have the same final velocity, but it's just the one that launched horizontally also has a velocity in the x direction. So the final speed or the magnitude of the final velocity will be the hypotenuse of the triangle. And don't forget that hypotenuse of the triangle is always longer than either of the two sides.
Our next topic will be about horizontally launched projectiles. As you will notice, from the moment you drop the ball, its horizontal velocity remains constant, and disregarding air pressure, it will continue moving at the same velocity as it falls down to the ground. Vertical motion, on the other hand, it has a different constant variable, which is now the decreasing and increasing rate of its velocity of 9.8 meters per second.